Did you know there's a village in Argentina where people speak Welsh? Bro, even I don't speak my own language that well. In Germany, inflation got so crazy in the 1920s, people used money as wallpaper. Imagine wiping your tears with $100 bills, because they're worthless. Ethiopia has a place called Dowel, where it's so hot it makes your AirPods melt. Okay, not really, but close. Norway has a doomsday vault that stores seeds in case the world ends. So yeah, plants are more prepared for the apocalypse than we are. New Zealand was the first country to let women vote. Respect. They were ahead while others were still arguing about hats. Now try this, comment guess my country and let's see who figures it out first, me or the bots. Lick your elbow to confuse someone in a fight. Works 0% of the time, but it's a vibe. Follow for brain-boosting facts daily.